Hey guys, it's Claire here and welcome back to another 5-minute design business video. So one of these days I promise you I will get out of my activewear and I will put some real clothes on for you guys, but at the moment I'm still juggling school holidays and we're like trying to fit in so many different things. So hopefully the content is great and you can just ignore the appearance, and one day I will get into something that is a little bit more out of my activewear. So that is that. So I hope you had a great weekend. We are back with another one of these 5-minute design business videos where I'm giving you a quick actionable tip and trick that you can use and you can implement today. It'll take you 5 or 10 minutes to implement, 5 or 10 minutes to watch this video. So within 10, 15 minutes, you should have a quick thing achieved in your business and one step forward to your goals of having a great little business. And so what I want to tell you about today, which is something that I actually only found out about a year ago or so, which is crazy considering how much email I've been doing, is about templates. Now I use Gmail and the professional Gmail G Suite stuff. And what you can do in that, and I'm sure you can do it in other email providers as well, is you can create sort of canned responses or templates that you can use to answer emails that you get over and over and over again. So obviously what I'm in here at the moment is our support email. So that's the place where the students in our courses email in for support. They ask questions. We have people who are signing up for the courses who have questions. And so we get a lot of obviously the same questions over and over again. And because of that, I was finding that I was like typing the same responses and my VA was typing the same responses over and over again. So instead of doing that, save yourself some time. And, I am a fast typer, so it would take me, a minute or two to answer an email, but it now takes me 5 or 10 seconds. So what you can do is I'll show you how the templates work to start with. So let's just say someone had asked how long it takes to complete my SketchUp course, which is a very common question that we get asked. What I can then do is just drop this how long is each module template in. And what it does is drops in a completely sort of response of exactly what I would write to that person. I can then customize that. Hi, Anna, or whoever the person would be. I just read through really quickly, make sure that I respond to everything that they have asked. I might add in a bit of, thanks for your question, just cheer it up a bit and be a bit more friendly. But apart from that, that's taken me a couple of seconds, and then I would hit send and that email's gone and we've done it. So it's a super fast way of being able to obviously answer your emails, especially if you get a high volume of emails, which I do, or we do. And so it's a really quick way of doing that. Now, if you want to set up some templates, which I would encourage you to do for any of the big questions that you guys get asked over and over, and you could use this for a whole range of things. So say you get emailed about what's the process of starting design work with you, or perhaps you have a sort of long blurb that you write out about how your design consultation process works, or perhaps about sending out your design concept. And if you were doing that, you'd probably tend to write the same or similar emails each time. Save yourself the time, do it once. I'm all about doing something once and then setting a system for making that repeat itself so that you can save time and spend your time on something more productive. So dear Anna, let's do a test. Oh, actually we wouldn't do a name. So when I'm setting up a template, just do hi, or however you do it. Leave the name place blank. You'll fill that in later. Here's the content you would put in. Cheers, Claire. So whatever you want to write. Once you've done that, and then I tend to leave off the signature. I hadn't in that example that I showed you, but I've learnt my lesson with that, because otherwise it will copy in your full signature each time. So you don't want to have the signature repeated twice, if that makes sense. So just do it as a blank sort of template like this. You can put in a subject here, test email, but whatever it wants to be. And then what you do is you click on the little hamburger menu down here, you go to template. This is in Gmail. As I said, I'm sure the other email providers will have this as well. And then you go save as draft template. You can either update any of the templates that you've got. So if I were to click on that, I could update the content that's in those templates, or save as a new template. So save as a new template, you can label that with whatever makes sense for you. So whatever triggers your memory as to what the content of that template is, and then you click save. And then I'm not going to do that because I don't want that template obviously, but then that would then appear in this list of templates for you. So very quick, simple thing today, but very, very helpful for saving you a lot of time. So have a think, what are your top 3 most asked questions in your email? and create 3 template responses for those today, so that you've got those, and the next time that email comes in, you are not reinventing the wheel. You've got your answer all ready to go. It'll take you a couple of seconds to answer, and you can move on with your day. When you do start to get high volumes of email, these are going to be a game changer for you, because you will be able to manage to get through a lot of emails in a much quicker space of time, which I am all about, staying out of the email inbox. So I hope that's helpful. That was today's tip. So 3 things that you get lots of emails about. Let's write templates for those and set those templates up. That's your quick task for today, and you're going to save yourself and thank yourself every single time that question comes into your email inbox. Hope that tip's helpful, and I'll be back with another 5-minute design business tip tomorrow. So have a great rest of your day. Bye for now.